In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Apple Maps not working on iPhone. If Apple Maps can't find your current location, shows you in the wrong spot, or won't start turn-by-turn directions, the most common cause is a permissions or accuracy setting on your iPhone. We'll walk through the exact settings to check so Maps can use your location properly and provide precise navigation. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. We're going to make changes at the system level because Apple Maps relies on your device's global location settings before it can do anything inside the app. Next, scroll down and tap Privacy and Security. This section controls what data apps can access. If your iPhone is on an older version of iOS, you might see Privacy instead of Privacy and Security. Either way, the location controls you need are here. Now go to Location Services and make sure it's turned on. This switch enables location for the entire device. When it's off, Apple Maps can't use GPS, Bluetooth, or nearby Wi-Fi signals to determine where you are, so directions and the blue location dot won't work correctly. If the toggle is already on, you're good, leave it enabled, pasan. From the same location services screen, scroll down the list of apps and tap Maps. This is where you control how Apple Maps can access your location. Look for Allow Location Access. For reliable navigation, choose while using the app or always. While using lets Maps pinpoint you only when the app is on screen. Always allows Maps to keep your route up to date even if your screen locks briefly or you switch to another app while driving. Avoid never or ask next time if you want seamless directions. Finally, make sure precise location is turned on for Maps. With precise location enabled, your iPhone can determine your exact position, which is crucial for accurate turn-by-turn directions, lane guidance, and finding the correct side of the street or entrance. If precise location is off, Maps may place you within a broad area instead of your exact spot, leading to missed turns or confusing reroutes. That's it. With location services on, Apple Maps allowed to access your location, and precise location enabled, open Apple Maps and check your position. You should see a solid blue dot centered where you are. If you're indoors, accuracy can improve when you step outside with a clearer view of the sky. These settings ensure Apple Maps has the permissions and precision it needs to guide you smoothly on your next trip.